Today, we're cooking taso cabrit, fried cube goat meat. This is a very popular dish in the Haitian community. It's a traditional Haitian meat dish. It's very tasty and very popular and found on many Haitian plates. Welcome to Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmet, author of Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. On our channel, we teach you how to cook easy traditional Haitian recipes. If you're new to our channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, comment, like, and share this video with a friend, and also don't forget to click on the notification button to get updated on all our new content. You can find any of the links that I mentioned in this video to include the recipe in the description below. Don't forget to stay to the end of the video to receive my bonus tips. So let's get cooking. Taso is a popular Haitian meat dish, traditionally made with goat. However, this can be substituted with beef or lamb. It is typically served with a side of rice or fried plantains. Now for my 3 tips for cooking amazing tasso cabrit fried goat meat. Tip number 1, the meat can also be oven roasted. When roasting in the oven, place pieces into a baking dish and roast until the meat is golden brown. Tip number 2, when purchasing your goat meat, get a good selection of goat meat. Usually the goat's leg is the best part for tasso cabrit. Also, make sure that the meat is not cut too small or too large. The pieces should be 2 to 3 inches in size. Tip number 3, cleaning the meat with a high acidic agent such as vinegar or sour orange will remove some of the meat's strong smell and the taste also. Thank you for watching Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook. I'm Samuel Valmet. Please don't forget to purchase the new book on Amazon and come back to our page often as we are posting different techniques and discussions that we're sure will be engaging. Until next time, thanks for joining us on Dinner Ideas for the Haitian Cook.